Hey guys, my name is 100 Pony Gaming, and today we're going to play some Murder Mystery 2. Alright again, let's get into the game. So we're in the game. Oh, hi girl, you look great today. Whoa. Oh, okay, let's suspect the game. What is that music? Is it her? Who is it? Is this a girl? Him? Maybe her? Who is it? Okay, it might be her. Oh, it's not her. Him? Oh, it is him! Markiplier.
Elegance.
Markiplier. The murderer is the assassin guy. What the heck? There's My Little Pony. What the heck? Guys, there's like a My Little Pony. Oh, round's over? There's a My Little Pony person. There's a person who likes My Little Pony. Guys, I used to like My Little Pony. And I was usually little, not little. Waka waka. Okay. Hello Kitty. You like My Little Pony?
Yes, I do like My Little Pony.
Okay, let's start a new game. Let's choose the bank, okay? Yes, vote for me! Vote for me! How do we put radios on you? I know how to actually put radios on you. Basically, you have to buy a game pass. Sheriff! We're going to trick people. Duh, 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 duh. First eat. What is that? I'm the mother. Oh, the game is lagging for me, guys. I wonder why. Oh, the murderer is the guy. Get ready for... get ready, they're annoying. For annoying. Okay. Come. I know! You got wrecked by noob. Boyo. Lily? Who's Lily? I feel cold right now. I'm getting shivers in my chair now. Come, I need to show you something. I know! It's right the secret! It's right over there! You know what I mean, guys. Alright. The game is lagging for me, basically. Y'all innocent! Okay, come, I need to show you something. What something? In the lobby? Oh no. Okay, the game is lagging so hard for me. Lag spiked everything. Okay, it's down there. Frick that My Little Pony song! Are you Santa? Oh, wow! Ow! I'm not going down there, guys. Woo. There's mixed songs. Oh, it's below me, guys. That's it. Okay, it's the person who's playing Believer. You have to stay away from that. Message. Rainbow Rock. That's the song. Okay, someone killed the girl who's playing Rainbow Rock. It's a person who's playing Believer. Who in the heck is playing Believer? I trust you. I trust you. I'm not going down there. I trust that person. I trust that person who just came to the vent. I want to stay here. He's camping. Is he camp? Where is he? What the heck? That was the sheriff! Who shoot? Oh. Well, frick you. I'm not the Oh! I knew it! It's a guy! Who's playing Believer! Okay. The game is lagging so hard. Wait, what the heck? Wait. Guys, did you see that? Seriously. Guys, did you see that? That girl has the knife? What is this? Leave no man behind. What man? You're a man. Are you talking to yourself? Leave no man behind. Hello, kitty. You grabbed my knife. Did you saw that? You grabbed my knife. Guys, did you see that? This girl just grabbed his knife. Oh, how did he drop his knife? What the heck? Sheriff. Am I always sheriff when I go to this map? I wonder. No, leave no man behind. Oh, you're the murderer. Yeah, you're a murderer. Yep. If Sab got it stuff. It's gotta be. I know what to do. That red thing. The murderer goes this way. To be very honest. Oh no. The murderer's right here. Through the door. Don't go to that door! Don't go to that door. Maybe here's a stab. That guy. That is too obvious. You! Someone get my gun. Someone get a gun. Get me gun. Get it? I have to shoot the person. Oh, it's a guy! It's a cake guy. No, who said, "Leave no man behind." Cake?
Basically, someone has to grab my gun.
Who grabbed my gun? Hello Kitty grabbed my. Oh, missed! What a spur person. Oh! There's no way to escape! Guys. One more round and then we're going to, like, legit go. Alrighty? Guys, I'm innocent. If you see my screen says the game starts, guys, it might be Hello Kitty. Tell me it's Hello. Oh, I fell! Ooh, that might hurt! Okay, guys. I hear Milo Pony. Ugh! Alright. Okay, I'm innocent, guys. Please. The game is lagging so hard. Why? Bowie. What the hell? Okay, the game is lagging so hard. What are you following me? Legit! What the hell? Oh my god. Hey, guys, look at my outfit. Does anyone like my outfit? No? No one like my outfit? I declined that. Sorry. I look so kawaii, guys. Like, legit. Guys. Okay, I'm innocent. How freaking not cool. Okay, we're gonna be the hero. Basically, this time we have to be the only one who's left in the game. Who are you? Guys, I think I should end the video. Oh, that's a murderer! Ah! Alrighty then, bye. Boy. Oh man. I have a cemetery. Dun, 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 dun.